a dump truck. E is for excavator. Excavator. Digging, digging, excavator. 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 F is for fire truck. Fire truck. Rescue, rescue, fire truck. Fire truck. Fire truck. Fire truck. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck. Cleaning, cleaning, garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. H is for hovercraft. Hovercraft. Gliding, gliding, hovercraft. 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 I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Yummy, yummy, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. J is for jeep. Jeep. Bouncing, bouncing, jeep. Jeep. Jet, jeep. K is for cart. Cart. Racing, racing, cart. 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 L is for limousine. Limousine. Luxury, luxury, limousine. 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 M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle. Zooming, zooming, motorcycle. 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 N is for navy ship. Navy ship. Sailing, sailing, navy ship. Navy ship. Navy ship. Navy ship. O is for off-road truck. Off-road truck. Climbing, climbing, off-road truck. Off-road truck. Off-road truck. Off-road truck. P is for police car. Police car. Chasing, chasing, police car. Police car. Police car. Police car. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike. Riding, riding. Quad bike. Quad bike. Quad bike. Quad bike. R is for race car. Race car. Speeding, speeding. Race car. Race car. Race car. Race car. S is for scooter. Scooter. Rolling, rolling, scooter. 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 T is for train. Train. Chugging, chugging, train. 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 U is for unicycle. Unicycle. Balancing, balancing, unicycle. 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 V is for van. Van. Driving, driving, van. Van. W is for wagon. Wagon. Pulling, pulling, wagon. 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 X is for extreme bike. Extreme bike. Jumping, jumping, extreme bike. Extreme bike. Extreme bike. Extreme bike. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Sailing, sailing, yacht. Yacht. Z is for zeppelin. Zeppelin. Floating, floating. Zeppelin. Zeppelin.